People are definitely a company's greatest asset. Employees are the major contributors to profits and worth of the organization. Everyone talks about building a relationship with your customer. We at Jio think you build one with your employees first. Jio Mitra E-Clinic is one organization which treats all the employees as one big family. Let's hear from some of our employees through their experience while working at Jio Mitra E-Clinic.
Hello, I am Nilesh Kumar, working as a Vice President Operations in Jio Innovations. Every day I am handling thousands of patient episodes, whereas I am getting the emotional and touchy experience of successful patient treatment, which get us understand what a wonderful difference we are making in Indian rural healthcare, and which makes us really proud.
Myself स्मित कुमार ठाकुर, मैं पिछले 4 साल से जियो इनोवेशन के साथ में हूँ और मैं मल्टीपल चीज़ों पे वर्क करता हूँ, चाहे वो ऑपरेशंस हो, चाहे वो टेक्निकल सपोर्ट हो, चाहे वो फाइनेंस हो, ETC। हमारा जो सपना है, जो जियो इनोवेशन का जो सपना है, वो है हर गांव में जियो मित्र क्लिनिक लगाना। और जो यहाँ का कल्चर भी है, वो भी एक फैमिली की तरह है। हमें काम करके अच्छा लगता है कि जियो पे हम काम कर रहे हैं, हम अपना जो हेल्थ सर्विस है वो गांव तक हम पहुँचा रहे हैं। जहाँ के जो लोग हैं, वहाँ के जो पेशेंट्स जो होते हैं, वहाँ के जो कि वहाँ लोकल एरिया में दिखा रहे हैं, ठीक है, उनको अच्छा इलाज नहीं मिल पा रहा है, वहाँ पे हम अपना जियो मित्र क्लिनिक लगा रहे हैं, उनको सुविधा प्रोवाइड करवा रहे हैं, जो कि वो वहाँ के जो बैठे हैं पेशेंट्स, वो हमारे टेली मेडिसिन के थ्रू, जो हमारे डॉक्टर्स बैठे हैं एम्स के, PGI के, उनको वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग के थ्रू दिखाया जा रहा है ताकि हम उनकी सुविधा प्रोवाइड की जाए।
Hi, my name is Abhishek Mishra and I'm head of HR here at Jio Innovations Private Limited. At Jio, you get the opportunity to work on your ideas and make sure it comes to fruition. Moreover, you see them impact areas which are otherwise starved for options when it comes to healthcare. Where else will you get such job satisfaction?
Hi, I'm Sachin Kumar and I'm enjoying my part here at Jio, working as a technical delivery manager. Here at Jio, we are working towards a greater goal, that is to provide best healthcare solutions to rural India. To say this in simple words, we are working towards a motto कि अब हर गांव में अस्पताल. And it's my pleasure to work for an organization that is working towards betterment of rural India.
My name is Nidhi and I am working with Jio Innovations from last 3 months. I am taking care of customer care department who are handling the sales and patient feedback function here. So talking about Jio Innovations work culture, I would like to say we here have complete freedom to take decisions along with responsibilities which help in bringing out our best and in overall growth of the organization. People working in different departments are very cooperative, friendly and work as one team. I would recommend everyone to join Jio Innovations if they are looking for a very positive working environment with flexibility.
नमस्कार, मैं राजशेखर, जियो इनोवेशन प्राइवेट लिमिटेड से। मैं इस कंपनी में पिछले 1 साल से सेल्स एंड मार्केटिंग देख रहा हूँ। इस कंपनी का एक विज़न है, हर गांव में अस्पताल, सबको सस्ता और सुलभ उपचार, अच्छा स्वास्थ्य सभी के लिए। इसी विज़न के साथ हम आगे बढ़ रहे हैं और इस विज़न के साथ आगे बढ़ते हुए हम काफ़ी तेज़ी से हर जगह विस्तार कर पाएँ अपने जियो मित्र E-क्लिनिक का। अब अच्छा स्वास्थ्य सभी के लिए, हर गांव में अस्पताल।
I am Siddharth Angrish. I am the CEO and the co-founder of Jio Innovations. At Jio, we are taking a very long look at rural healthcare, which we strongly believe is presenting an enormous opportunity. With 600,000 plus villages and very little to no presence of specialists or qualified doctors in them, it is a no-brainer to install e-clinics in as many villages as possible. We are hiring people local to remote districts, okay, so that we can leverage their experience of their area and also provide them an employment which has a large amount of security, with respect to employment going forward.